Another session of financial statements. So kindly, if you didn't watch the earlier videos, go and first watch them. So we are proceeding. At the end of it all, we shall take some more practical questions. But for now, let's first learn. We are still continuing with end of year adjustments. End of year adjustments. So in the first video, we looked at how the income statement, we went and looked at the balance sheet, then we went and looked at depreciation treatment. So we are looking at accruals and prepayments. We are looking at accruals and prepayments. So let's begin with accruals. We have accrued income and accrued expenses. What is accrued income? Accrued income refers to income earned but not received. I'm repeating. Income earned but not received. For example, you've worked for someone, you've completed the job, but you've not been paid. So that is accrued income. And this income, in the income statement, we always add it to the corresponding income. It is added to the corresponding income. Assuming there was rent income, so you come and add the accrued income. As we are doing the question, we shall see. Then, what of in the balance sheet, it is a current asset. In a balance sheet, it is a current asset. Income statement added to the corresponding income. In the balance sheet, it is a current asset. Then accrued expenses, they are expenses that are used but not paid. They are expenses that are used but not paid. For example, rent. Accrued. If I say rent accrued, meaning I've slept in a landlord's house for some good month, but I'm not yet paid. And this one is also added in the income statement. It is added to the corresponding expenses at the end of the year, and in the balance sheet, it is a current liability. So there are some other names for accruals. Other names for accruals. If you don't say accruals, you can say in arrears. In arrears. You can say outstanding. Outstanding. You can also say owing. All these are names for accrual. Whatever, simanya income, owing, what and what. So that's it about accruals. Then for prepayments, even for prepayments, we have prepaid income and prepaid expenses. What prepaid income and prepaid expense? What is prepaid income? Prepaid income refers to income that is received in advance, in actual sense. Income received but not yet earned. Received but not earned. You received the money, assuming you are a landlord, and the client has given you 2 months ahead. So it is prepaid. Someone has paid you in advance. And this income is always less because at the end of the year, and it is a current liability in a balance sheet. It is less, and in the balance sheet it is a current liability. Then prepaid expense. These are expenses paid in advance. In actual sense, paid but not used, not yet used. You've paid something in advance. In the balance sheet it is a current asset, and in the income statement it is listed to the corresponding expenses, as we shall see. So in actual sense, it's another name for prepayment. Mainly we have paid in advance. Prepayments, another name is paid in advance. These things are summarized in a formula. We have accrued income, prepaid income. Accrued expense, prepaid expense. So accrued incomes and prepaid expenses are current assets. Prepaid incomes and accrued expenses are current liabilities. But and all the here for accruals add, for prepayments less. So that is all about end of year adjustments. In our next session, we shall look at how to treat provision for bad debts. Then after, we shall take a practical question. May God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to Lamington Academic Solution. Share. For all the accountants, we must simplify academic life. Bye bye.